Welcome to the project demonstration of Arduino based solar power monitoring through IoT. In this project we are using LCD display and temperature sensor, ESP module, Arduino Nano board, and also using two voltage sensors. Here we can see the two voltage sensors. One is for solar measuring voltage sensor, another is for battery measuring voltage sensor. And also here we can see the LED and also switch for the on and off this LEDs, and here we can see the track PCB. So we are providing the power supply through this adapter, which takes 230 volts of AC from this side and it will produce 5 volts of DC from this side. So this power will be given to this, so this 5 volts will be given to this track PCB. So the main aim of this track PCB is to divide the equal voltage to the all components like LCD display, Nano and ESP module. So let us see the demonstration. And also here we can see the charging circuit which charges the battery through solar and a transformer. Here we can see this is the charging circuit, also bridge rectifier. This is the input of this bridge rectifier and output of this bridge rectifier. We know that bridge rectifier will convert AC to DC. So here we can see the transformer. It is a step down transformer which will step down up to 12 volts of AC. So that 12 volts of AC will be given to this input of this bridge rectifier. Then it will take this step down transformer take up to 230 volts of AC power through this power cable. So if I on this transformer supply, so here we can see the light indication. And also if we want to charge electrically to this battery, so we can put this battery connection to this here. Then battery will be get charged. And also if we want to charge this battery using solar panel, we can remove this transformer connection and we have to place this one to here. Then solar power generated by this voltage that will be given to this battery through this charging circuit. And also this circuit will be protected from the reverse voltage of the battery. So first of all we need to connect ESP module to our network using hotspot connection. So here we can see hotspot. So hotspot name should be Proet6421 and password should be 129. Then only this ESP module will be connected to our hotspot. So here we can see ESP module is connected, and also the AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz, and the project name should be P is small and without space we have to give like this. So after that we have to log in ThinkSpeak. Here we can see we are already logging this one. So here we can see the IoT based solar monitoring. We have to click that one. After that here we can see the temperature values and solar voltage, battery voltage and current values also. So if we want to download this data, we have to go data import and export. After that we have to download this one. Here we can see the one file is downloaded. It will be opened in Excel sheet. So in this way we can download the data sheet and we can open the data sheet in Excel format. In this way we can observe and monitor the values through IoT through this ThinkSpeak. And also here we can see the LCD display, the temperature values and solar values, and also battery voltage and current values also. So if temperature is increased, and we can also see the values through this LCD display. So here we can see it goes nearly 90 degrees. And also here we can see LEDs which are connected to this battery to maintain a load. In this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.